Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this pop of blue for spring. It's a lot like the pink pop of color that I did for spring. I will link that in the IO and down below, and it's also going to be in, this is all going to be in a playlist together. It's a lot like that one, but just with blue, and I think it's really gorgeous, and it turned out really nice. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is do my eyes, of course. I did this eye off camera. It's literally just super simple, one shadow. I'm going to use, I found this and I was really excited about it, the Profusion Pigment Base Eyeshadow Primer in neutral. And you can get it off of their website. Couldn't find it anywhere else, but I bought it off of their website because I wanted an eyeshadow primer that actually had coverage. So yeah, I just put some of that on there, and then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush to blend all of that in. And I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Brulee eyeshadow as always, and my Real Technique shading brush, and I'm just going to set my inner corner to brow bone area as always. I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and used it on my eyelid to help with giving the blue more pigment on the lid. I'm basically doing the same look that I did when I did my pink eyeshadow look, but it's blue this time. And I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush, and the palette I'm going to use today is the Profusion Pastel eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color Clarity. It's a nice light light blue color, like pastel blue, and I'm going to just apply that all over my lid. And as you can see, it's very pigmented, and it showed up right away. I use the Real Techniques Essential Crease brush, and I'm going to use that shade in my crease as well, just to kind of blend it upwards and blend it into the crease. So it's not just like eyeshadow on the lid and then it stops or anything like that. And that's literally the eyeshadow done. On to my face makeup now, and I'm going to use the to help hydrate my skin even more. I'm planning to do an updated foundation routine video because my skin has been so incredibly dry and peely all the time, and I've had to find new products to use on it because for some reason it just doesn't my foundation never looks very good anymore unless if I do specific steps, which is especially spraying my face before I use foundation. So I'm going to use the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist on my face. I'm just going to spray that all over to help hydrate the skin. I'm going to use my Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. This is like a little sample size, and I have been loving these products. They are so amazing. This is like a very interesting primer. It's like a gel, but it fills in your pores at the same time. It's very interesting, and it really is just amazing. Smooths me out, and it is just beautiful. Go in with the Illuminating Primer from Rare Beauty, and use 1 pump of that and dot that all over my face. And this is a beautiful dewy primer. It really adds the most gorgeous glow to the skin, as you can see. I'm going to use my Rare Beauty foundation, and it is the most gorgeous foundation ever. I love it so much. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge as always. I used the Cookies and Dreams one for a while, but I decided to go back to my all-time favorite, which is this one. But I'm just pouncing that onto the skin. Use the Rare Beauty concealer, and this one is also an amazing product by them. And I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes and down my nose. And I'm gonna blend that out with my sponge. Then I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty setting powder, and this has a nice like luminous finish to it. Use my sponge as always. And just press it down onto my skin. So then I'm going to use this Stargazer white pressed powder. And it's literally just a plain white powder, and I'm going to use that to highlight my under eyes. I just got this brand new Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to take some of that white powder and use it to highlight my under eyes. To give a nice bright effect under there. For bronzer, since we're doing blue eyeshadow and it's very cool toned, I'm going to be using the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Sun Kissed. It's the more cool toned one. and I'm going to bronze up my face with that. And I'm just using my Morphe JH02 brush to bronze up my face. And then I'm going to use the Essence The Blush in the shade Believing, and I'm going to apply that with my Morphe JH04 brush. And this, whoa, that was a lot of product. And this blush is very, very cool toned. It's like a dusty mauve kind of shade. And I feel like it goes really well, and it complements the cool tones in today's look with the blue eyeshadow. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the Milani Stellar Lights highlighter palette. This one is in Rose Glow. And I'm going to use my Ducare highlighting brush and highlight my face with that. Gorgeous white highlighter shade. And I'm also going to take my AOA Studio E134 brush and highlight my inner corner with that. Well, inner corners of both my eyes. And I'm using my NYX Bear With Me setting spray to do this. Also going to use that NYX Bear With Me setting spray on my face just to help with the powderiness of my face. So then I'm going to do my eyebrows now, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette in Neutral Brown, and I'm going to brush through my brows first of all. And I'm using the e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush, and then I'm just going to take the powder in it to go over my brows with that. Just fill in my brows with the powder. You go over top of that with my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel, and just fill them in with that as well. And set them. And then to finish off my eyes, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner in the shade Powder Blue. And I'm going to apply that in my waterline to brighten up my eyes. I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black and just do a thin line across. And then I'm going to use my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. So then to finish off this look, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in the shade Natalie. Top that off, I'm going to use the lip gloss that's perfect for this look. It's the NYX This Is Milky Gloss in the shade Faux Mou, and it's the, I don't know why they named it that, and it's just the blue one. So it's gonna add a nice blue tint and a pretty gloss to this liquid lipstick. So this is the completed spring pop of blue makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.